Hi everyone, welcome to this quick walkthrough. Today I'm going you to take through a tool that we built on Simple AI, and that is a summarized diagnostic report. In this video, I will guide you through how this tool works and how it does. So this is a tool which works on for summarizing diagnostic report like takes detailed medical or diagnostic reports and condenses them into shorter, more manageable summaries. It would extract key information such as test results and recommendation and present it in a simplified, concise format. In the tools, we have two important contexts that are use and build. Use lets you run and interact with your tool, which we will see. Build is where you create and configure your tool. Now click on build and get some key concept. So these are the three major steps which will help in building this tool. User inputs, user steps, tool outputs. Now, coming to the very first, let's start with the user input section. This is where you upload your diagnostic report. It's super easy. Just drag and drop your file into this area or click to browse and select it from your system. You can see here, I have set it to accept the file type and string format. The variable of the step file is diagnostic underscore report. Next up, let's move on to the second step, that is user step. This is the heart of the tool where the magic happens. This tool will take the PDF file you have uploaded and convert it to text. This process is streamlined to be as efficient as possible. Here, the PDF to text section, you can see that the tool automatically grabs the URL from the input. I have also set it to advanced parsing mode to ensure that the text extraction is precise and reliable. This means it can handle complex formatting and various file types without breaking a sweat. To ensure, now we will get to the next step, that is guardrail configuration. To ensure that the process is smooth and error free, you can also add some guardrails. These are validators that can act quality control. Now coming to the next step, that is LLM call. The next step, we are using LLM where we give all the prompts all by supplying every contextual information. This is where the tool leverages the power of a language model specifically to interpret and extract the essential details from the text. The system prompt is where you could instruct and add if needed, and the main action happens in the prompt field. Here I have set up a structured format to extract the key information of all the things which are in the report. Now we can choose the model of our own choice as per availability. Now coming to the next step. Here we have called the LLM again because in the above step of the LLM, the output will be in the form of the JSON and we want it in a concise and a structured way. So in this LLM call, we have just given the prompt to convert the JSON in the form of a simple structured manner text. Here also you have to choose the model of your own choice and as again for availability. Now you can also ensure that the process is smooth and error free. And here is also guardrail configuration. Just like with the PDF to text step, you can add guardrails here as well. These act as an additional safety net to make sure that the LLM call is executed smoothly and the LLM is and the results are reliable. Now let's move on to the key feature of this tool, the output section. This is where you can define that the variables will be used in your project. You can see that there is a key field in your project. You can input the name of the result and the value where you will select a desired value. This makes it super easy. Now you have to save the tool and now click on the run button. The output will be displayed in the tool output section at the bottom of the screen. Now we can see that we get the parsing done by the PDF to text. Here there is a summary of the diagnostic report. Now you can see that the LLM converted in the form of JSON, and we can see that we got the final output in the desired toolspace that contains all the information of the patient. Thank you very much. We will meet again.